Guys, today's very exciting because Kevin and I are in the middle of building our dream closet. As you can see, my bathroom's a little bit crazy. A lot of things have been knocked down. We are in the midst of home renovations and it's been kind of a struggle for me, if I'm being completely honest. I didn't think that home renovations would take so long. I've heard horror stories, but I pretty much bought my house I think we started looking around summertime, July. We were able to close in on the house around August and it's now March. We're not even done with phase 1 yet, but a lot of them are out of my control, which I'm not even going to try to get into. But the thing that we can control is we are redesigning our closet. It actually started off as a really simple project. We honestly just wanted to update the rods that were in our sliding closet doors. But then one thing led to another. We got inspired just scrolling on TikTok and Instagram. So what started off as a really simple task of just, replacing the closet rods ended up being us building shelves, which ended up making us want to build drawers, which then ended up making us want to build whole closet doors. And so now we're just like fully DIYing our closet, and Kevin's downstairs already working on it and I am helping as well. So I got these special overalls actually from Amazon. It was gonna get really messy, didn't want to get any of my clothes dirty, so I have a home reno attire now. And I'm going to show you actually what our closet looks like. We've worked on bits and pieces of it, but let me show you what it looks like right now. We started off with these older rods in our closet that were a little janky and difficult to move your hangers. So it was a no-brainer to hit up IKEA for some temporary affordable solutions. We ended up discovering the PAX closet system and oh my gosh, this was the coolest thing ever. So obviously we had to get it. Also, fun fact, I've never actually tried food here at IKEA, so I got to try some for the very first time, and I gotta say, it was pretty solid. Kevin's favorite part of IKEA. Every single time we come here, this is what he does.
It's like destroying the Death Star.
Ooh. A new day and the closet has been installed. Kevin did such a good job at putting this together, and these railings, he literally cut these himself with his tools, so it fits perfectly, and I feel like it looks way better than it did the first time when we first came here. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put my clothes in. We're going to do that, and then I'm going to start to organize all of this. After I started putting my clothes away, I could start to see it all come to life. It was so much more functional and easy to slide my hangers on our new rod, but the only thing we were missing were closet doors that actually fit, so it was time to make our own custom ones. Kevin's already up bright and early. He's already in the garage working on it, and it's like only 9 a.m., which is very unlike Kevin, but it shows that he loves working on this type of stuff. It's looking so good. It's coming together. We painted like 4 of our closet doors. I'm learning how to use tools like the sander, better techniques of painting, and I think we're pretty much done with this one, but what we need to do is we need to add a top sealant coat because this will protect the paint and just be easier for us to maintain in the future. So we're going to do that today. It's been weeks, maybe months of us working on this, and we are hoping that today's going to be the day, the special day for us to install it. I think we're gonna get there. We're pretty close. To make these shaker doors, we found 2 different thicknesses of plywood from Home Depot and cut it up so that it matched our dimensions. We used a 1/2 inch for our base door and then got another 1/4 inch of plywood to make it and glue the shaker frames around it. Then we added some wood putty to fill in the holes, sanded it down to the smoothness that we wanted, and painted it all white. What took so long for this project was not really the fact that it was time consuming, but also because we were working full time, and so we had only the weekends to kind of work on this. If we had dedicated more time to work on this, fully committed to this, then we probably would have been able to get this project done faster. All right, we made it. This is the finished product of our closet. It's a very proud moment for me. Not only did it turn out looking great, but it is our first very successful DIY project together in our new home. So let me just show you some cool details about this. This is her closet, so my side of things. I got nice, beautiful matching velvet hangers to make it look nice and clean. I have this shoe rack at the top that I think makes it super nice and organized. And if you look over on this side, Kevin and I are both obsessed with aloe yoga, and so we love their hats. We have our little aloe hat collection. I really love that we have this hat organizer that we got from Amazon. It just makes things so much more neat, so much more organized. I also have my festival hats up there on display. I also have my jewelry holder here, which is really nice. It makes it a lot more easy. My things don't get tangled, so I love that we got this from IKEA. We added on these facings to it, so it just looks a little bit more clean. I'm really into my jean drawer. I feel like I just love the way I organized this. And if you want to look at Kevin's side, so welcome to Kevin's closet. I think it's very organized, mainly because I helped him color coordinate all of his outfits and his shirts. So he's got his beautiful Hawaiian tops up top, and then he also has his nice shoes up there too. But he's got some extra space down here and a hamper and extra hangers in case I might need it. There are some areas that are not perfect that we're going to come back to and fix later. For instance, this, we don't really like that there's a little hole right here, this gap. So we're actually going to be adding another facing here later that kind of matches this. I think I also might have missed this coat of paint. I'm going to do one more coat, so we're going to go back and fix this. Kevin also needs to fill in these holes. He's going to fill it with some of this white filler that he got from IKEA, so that should be good. Overall, though, I'm very proud of what we did. I think that this was an awesome, really cool first DIY project for us to get started with. If you guys liked more videos like this, then I'm going to be making over the entire house little by little, and the next one will be a bedroom makeover of my master bedroom. So I cannot wait to show you. Stick around, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you, and as always, have a great day. See ya. Mwah.